is, guys? So I just got my delivery today, a few Samsung custom products for the Road Glide ST, and we're gonna be installing a few parts that I picked up. So I got this skid plate to protect all the wiring on the bottom of the bike, and I also grabbed this blacked out windshield from them, completely dark. So I'll be replacing those two pieces right here. And our friends over at Samsung Customs, in order to get yours or pick up your windshields, if you're looking for some, you gotta hit them up on Instagram. They don't have a website right now, so everything goes through Instagram for the moment. Yeah, Amnoy on Instagram, it's Samsung_custom. That's how you can find his Instagram. Amnoy is very helpful. He replies right away. This is what we're going to be replacing. I'm removing the stock one and going with the darked out 9-inch. So a little bit taller than this one. And then we're going to be putting the skid plate underneath right here, because all the wiring, protect all the wires in the bottom. And that will be it for today. This windshield right here looks very good quality, high quality, durable. The material, really good. Could compare it to the Clockworks one. And they're pretty affordable. They're not too bad. This plate looks good. I really like the anodizing on there. So windshield removal is very straightforward. It has 2 bolts on each side. You remove those and it comes right off. And you'll be using a T25 to uninstall these. When you remove these 4 bolts, you're gonna have these little rubber grommets. Make sure not to use these. Once they're all removed on both sides, we're just gonna kind of pull this up and take it from the little clips that are right there. And it comes right off. I started with putting the little rubber grommets in place. Whoa, shoot. Came out. Put both of them on the 2 sides and then just get that on there. So you're just gonna do a reverse process. You're gonna hook it back on there. So this is what it looks like after it's installed. Completely blacked out. Can't see through it. As far as the installation of the skid plate, there's only 2 bolts on this side. You pull the radiator cover out a little bit. It's just a push, and then it has 1 here, 2. Put this side, and go to the other side, and there's just 1 right there. And that's it. Very simple installation. Will protect everything underneath, all the wires. And that concludes the installation for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment, like, subscribe. More mods coming to this bike. Thanks.